Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to undisable your App Store and iTunes if your Apple ID has been disabled. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so that you can do it yourself right from your home. And without any further delay, let's start with the video. If your account is disabled, you will see a message like this Apple ID has been disabled. So don't worry, it's usually for security reasons only. So you don't need to panic whether you are getting hacked or anything. So you can simply head on to your browser, any browser that you like, and in there simply go to appleid.apple.com. Now here simply tap on forget Apple ID or password and follow the steps to reset your password right here. This often automatically undisables your account. After resetting your password, sign in again to App Store and iTunes. If it doesn't work, then check your payment info under settings, and inside your Apple ID profile go to payment and shipping and contact Apple support if needed. And that's it guys. Resetting your password and verifying your account will undisable your App Store and iTunes. If this video helped you out, like the video, subscribe for more Apple tips, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.